Hello, a hearty welcome to you all. Namo Namaha. Sarvesham Hardam Swagatam.
What is this? Etat kim? In one of the earlier videos, you learnt how to answer the tat kim question. Here you will learn how to answer the etat kim question. Here is a quick recap of the tat kim topic before proceeding to etat kim.
What is that? Tat kim?
That is an aeroplane. Tat vimanam.
What is this? Etat kim?
This is an aeroplane. Etat vimanam.
Tat and etat both refer to the neuter gender only. Tat refers to someone or something far away from the speaker, whereas etat refers to those near the speaker.
What is this? Etat kim?
This is a blackboard. Etat krishnapalakam. What is this? Etat kim?
This is a computer. Etat sanganakam. What is this? Etat kim?
This is a finger ring. Etat anguliyakam. What is this? Etat kim?
This is a utensil. Etat patram. What is this? Etat kim?
This is a pair of spectacles. Etat upanetram.
Thank you very much. See you again. धन्यवादः. पुनर्मिलामः.